Yo guys, making a new video today on the EVO 8. I'm going to be changing the headlights today. I've got a set of genuine JDM headlights with the black housing, because these have got the chrome standard ones that come on the FQs from the factory. And I've owned this car for like probably 6-7 years now, and the one thing that's always bugged me is those front lights, because I've got the JDM rear lights which have the black on the back. They look a lot better, as you can probably tell, and these ones look a bit fugly. They've got scratches on them and sort of faded a bit, so not only will they look nice and fresh, it does actually transform the front of the vehicle. When it's all blacked out in the headlights, it just looks way better. So I'll show you the new headlights now, but yeah, that's what we're doing today in this video. So guys, step one, to do this I'm going to have to take the bumper off, so I'll do a quick little time lapse to get the bumper off. It's fairly easy on these EVOs. It's more just the stupid annoying clips underneath. They're the hard bit, so yeah, we'll get the bumper off. So we'll get these on the bench now, and we'll strip the ballasts off which are underneath there, and we'll put them on the new lights. So guys, here are the new headlights. I've just unboxed them, brand new from Japan. JDM EVO 8 headlights. So EVO 8 is it's a matte finish inside the housing, whereas if it was an EVO 9 they are like gloss black instead of matte black. But I've gone for the correct ones for this vehicle, even though I'll be honest, I prefer the way the EVO 9s look, but I wanted to stick that they should be the ones for the EVO 8, so I have. And we've also got all new bulbs, PIA, fresh set for every type, for every light on the lights. And I think, yeah, I've got white plus, so these are going to look really bright when we're all done. So to swap the ballast, it's like we just need to take out these Phillips screws. Shouldn't be too hard. There we go. The connector here comes off, and then spin. No, it spins. My bad. Lock. So unlock. There we go. So the original one has already got this inside, so we just need to remove that from in there. So there's your ballast. Everything else stays on, unless you've not ordered new bulbs. You would swap all your bulbs over, but I've ordered brand new ones, so I'm going to put the new bulbs in the new light. But first, actually, think I'm going to try and clean this up a little bit because it looks a bit nasty. So I'll do that first. So, just realised I don't have new HID bulbs because the only other ones available were like £400 each, and they're for rally racing, which is too bright. So I took the original out of, I took the one out of my original light, and I'm going to put it in here. And clip it in just like that. So that's the HID bulb in. I think we better let's do side light. That's the side light. In. Right, so I've bought the wrong turn signals, but I can still use the original ones, and I'll get some different ones. I don't know what the hell these were for then. So I cleaned it up best I could, really. Well, not best I could, actually, that's a lie. I cleaned it up as much as I sort of could. But these are about £600, and I don't even know if you can get them brand new anymore. So I wasn't going to buy a brand new one, let's put it that way. Now time for these new bulbs. So 9005. Really nice. That's in. Close that one up. There we go. That is one headlight fully assembled. Nice. So I'm going to go lay this down so it doesn't scratch somewhere else. And yeah, we'll just do the exact same on the other headlight. Right guys, we're going to go put the brand new light in. I'm really hoping I don't scratch these up. Yeah, we've got the HIDs and the side light. that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully if you need to do this on yours, this video helps you a bit. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers guys.